Scientific study of RIG VEDA, Class 68. Today we are going through the Mandras 5 to 7 of Sooktha-29. Here also the Devada is INDRA. We have already seen what is INDRA. INDRA is, suppose there is any chemical equation or any science phenomena or any result. While cooking food, there may be some method of preparation. That method of preparation is the science. Or science tells hydrogen, oxygen, kappa into form water. These are science. But science will not create product. To produce product, we should coordinate the activities based on this science. For example, if there is a plan, everything regarding the construction of this building is there in the plan. But to build the plan, to construct the building based on this plan, human beings are required to coordinate the activities. Likewise, if we are cooking any food, if we are doing any work, inside that system, some actions are taking place. For example, if we are mixing hydrogen and oxygen to produce water, some actions are taking place inside the atom, or some changes are taking place inside the atom. Then only they will comply in the right proportion and they will give the product water. So while cooking food, we know we are giving the ingredients to the system, and inside that some structural changes are taking place which convert it into food. These things are taking place based on science, but there is a coordinating force is required. That coordinating force is called INDRA. So in every action there is some inherent force there to take up that action and convert it into the product based on certain modern science principles. Now based on this, let us go through the mantra 5.
RIGVEDA-Mandal-1 Sooktham 29 Sam Indra Gardabhamrna Nuvandam Pabayamuyam Aduna Indra Samshaya Gosha Sheshu Shubrishu Sahasreshu Tuvimakham.
It tells Indra to kill our enemy. Kill our enemy, which is like the ass. It is just only a comparison. What it means is, Indra is the force which opposes which destroys the force which is acting against our action. Suppose we are trying to cook food, say raw rice, to convert it into soft rice. We are heating it. So inside this rice, some actions are taking place. And this system itself is opposing it. So we are applying the force, heat, etc. to overcome that opposition and make these structural changes inside it so as to make it soft. Here, Indra is the force which is coordinating the activity inside the rice. So, it is the duty of Indra is to destroy that obstacle or the force which opposes it against our action. So, here it says you should destroy the enemy. Then give us thousands of go and horses. Go means that is a solid product. Go means cow. As per Veda, it is the output in the form of solid form. And horses is horsepower. That is energy. So as per Veda, Hos means it represents energy. So we are doing any work either to get a product in the form of a solid or liquid or anything like that, that is go, or we are trying to produce some energy. In the generator, the output is energy. In the bulb, the output is light energy, so and so on. So we are getting either material in the form of product or energy. That is represented by go and Hos. So it tells to give so many products by opposing such obstacles in our action. Now let us go through the sixth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 29-6 പതാതി കുണ്ട്രണാച്യ ദൂരം വാദോപനാദധി ആദുന ഇന്ദ്ര സംശയ ഘോഷേഷു ശുഭ്രിഷു സഹസ്രേഷു തുവീമഖാം.
It says, Indra to move away this wind blowing in this forest, because this wind may produce fire, or sometimes this movement of air will destroy the forest also. So there is obstacle. If there is so many trees there, if the wind is blowing, some of them may fall. Or if there is a air and fire, air and Agni, fire may take place. So it tells Indra to move away this such a blowing air in our fields. We are doing so many things to produce so many precious things in the factory or in the field. We are cultivating different types of trees. If the wind is blowing in a very bad way, that may be destroyed. So there also Indra is the force which is removing the air, that blowing of that wind, which may destroy our field. So it tells Indra to move away this blowing wind, and it also tells Indra to give us thousands of goats and horses. That means thousands of different types of products or energy. Now let us go through the seventh mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 29-7 സർവം പരിക്രോശം ജഹി ജംഭയാ കൃഗദാശ്വം ആതുന ഇന്ദ്ര സംശയ ഘോഷേഷു ശുഭ്രിഷു സഹസ്രേഷു തുവീമഖാം.
It tells Indra to destroy all the persons, all the things that are thinking against our action. That means that is another form of opposition, or another form of obstacle, or another form of an enemy that is standing against our action. So it tells Indra to remove such enemies who are thinking against us, against our actions. And it tells Indra to destroy all the enemies which are trying to create a great problem to our actions. Now, that means Indra is acting in different forms. In the form of production of things, Indra is the force which is coordinating the activity in the system. In the case of climatic conditions, sometimes this wind may destroy our fields. So in such cases also, Indra is the force which is driving away such a wind. Now here it tells Indra to act against any enemy which are trying to move against our actions. Which are trying to create problems in our productive works or in our actions. So Indra is acting in different fields. Indra is a friend. It is supporting us and tells Indra to give us thousands of go and ashwas. Go means cow or that solid type products or products, any product. And forces means that energy form. So we are doing any work to produce either materials or products or to get different types of energy. For example, in the bulb we are getting light energy. In the iron box we are producing heat energy and so on. So our actions are for producing new things or different forms of energy. In all such activities, Indra is the force. Indra is the coordinating force which is helping us in our actions.